Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to make a flash transition in Premiere Pro. First thing you need to do is create an adjustment layer, drag that on top of your clip, adjust it. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go straight to my effects panel and I'm going to type in ProCamp and I'm going to drag that on my adjustment layer. Before I go to my effects panel, I'm just going to drag the clip to the middle of both my clips. I'm now going to go to my effects panel, making sure my adjustment layer is selected, and what I'm going to do is where it says ProCamp, I'm going to increase my brightness to around 35. I'm going to press the stopwatch key. I'm going to move back 5 frames, so I'm going to press the shift key on the left and I'm going to reset it to 0. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press shift, go right back to the middle, right again 5 frames, and I'm going to reset it back to 0. And there you go, my people. This is how you do the flash transition. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.